If you're using Spotify Premium and want to cancel auto payment or end your subscription, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to cancel auto payment on Spotify. It's quick and easy. First things first, open the Spotify app on your phone. Now, if you prefer, you can also do this through the Spotify website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account that has the active Spotify Premium subscription. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu. After that, go to Account or Settings. Now, under the subscription section, here you can find the subscription section. Under the subscription section, you'll see option that says change plan or manage subscription. Tap on it. This will open up your plan management options, including your current plan and any available changes. To stop your auto payment, look for option that says cancel premium. This is where you can disable auto renewal for your subscription. You'll be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Spotify may try to offer you a discount or ask why you're canceling, but just follow the steps to confirm your decision. After you tap cancel premium, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap yes, cancel or confirm, and your Spotify Premium subscription will be cancelled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.